Hello. In this video, we will learn about the XIRR function in Excel.
Our standard IRR function in Excel is built for regular interval cash flows. But if we have irregular interval cash flows, we can use the XIRR function where we can give the actual days the cash flows are occurring. So otherwise the syntax is the same as IRR, but we give additional argument of the actual days the cash flows are occurring. And the days do not need to be entered in chronological order. So they can be in random order, sequence, and still the function will work properly. So we got an example here. For this project, we have the cash flows and the days that the cash flows are occurring. So let's check the XIRR function. We first give the values and then the dates. So the guesstimate is optional again like IRR. If you leave it blank, it will assume 10% as the guesstimate. If you want, you can apply guesstimate. So we get 21% as the XIRR. So if we use, so let's check what result we get when we use XNPV and use the XIRR as the discount rate. So we can use XNPV and the rate we will give the discount rate as the XIRR. And then for the values, we give this and then the cash flow dates. And we get a 0. So this IRR or XIRR is correct because our XNPV has become 0. So it's the discount rate at which the cash flow NPV becomes 0. So if you have option of using IRR or XIRR and you know the actual cash flows, and if the cash flow days are kind of irregular like this, you always use the XIRR function to get a more accurate result for the IRR calculation.
Thanks for watching.